So the ion exchange technology utilises two mechanisms for removing PFAS from water, those being adsorption and ion exchange. This dual mechanism of removal, coupled with ECT2's careful selection of the different resins, ensures that the system has an ultra-high capacity for PFAS, which in turn ensures that the time frame between media regenerations or change-outs is as long as it can be. And ultimately, this has the effect of reducing the operational expenditure required to keep the plant operating into the future.
So ECT2 already had experience treating PFAS with Tyndall at the airbase. They also supplied us with a 1 megalitre treatment plant at very short notice. We're impressed with their availability and how they turned that around. So we chose them as our delivery partner for the construction of this 10 megalitre day treatment plant.
Yeah, so based on the success of that project, after 5 years of 100% compliance, the client came to us and said, "We'd like you to build a larger system, 10 times the size of the original one, to serve the entire drinking water system in Katherine." So couple that with the fact that we have a resin regeneration system at the nearby Tyndall Air Force Base. And that sets us up very well to continue serving and increase our service to the town of Katherine. We've also built a very top-notch, high-functioning team in Australia that has various disciplines, design, R&D, project management, operations that allow us to support not only those existing clients, but also new clients.
So the client's decision to proceed with us for the full-scale system was undoubtedly influenced by our nimble delivery and commissioning of the interim PFAS treatment system in Katherine, and then obviously the successful operation of that plant for the subsequent 6 years.
The Katherine plant is a first-of-its-kind facility of this scale, producing up to 10 megalitres per day of safe drinking water for the town of Katherine.
We were able to work with the client to really educate them on the different important aspects of developing a large-scale drinking water project, and really build into the design and the delivery approach the important considerations that needed to be factored. And in doing so, we were able to deliver what we think is a fairly robust and resilient option for them, and it will ultimately serve the community there for a long time and be economical to operate as well.
Providing 10,000 members of the community with clean drinking water is exactly the kind of projects that our team can really get behind, and it's really a testament to the team.
Our testing has shown that all PFAS is removed, which was the objective of the plant. It's got a capacity of 10 megalitres. There is 3 process trains here. Each one can deliver 5 megalitres. That allows us a range of flows that help supplement the surface water treatment plant. We've proven the plant up to 10 megalitres, and we're very happy with its output. I think from a groundbreaking project, it's something that going forward, utilities are going to have to face. The removal of PFAS from the water. It's becoming more and more prevalent, and the standards are changing as to what levels of PFAS are allowed in the treatment of water.
This project, in a lot of ways, was a springboard that really helped launch ECT2 in Australia, and for that, we're very thankful for both Australia Defence and Power and Water Corporation for not only getting us involved and having us do the work, but also the close collaboration and partnership. It was a really exciting and satisfying project to be a part of.